Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us. And yesterday, we saw a big drop on the chart of gold. So gold was trading around 2005 2006 and there was a big drop, and gold made a low of 1970, and after hitting the low of 1970 we could see an immediate bounce, immediate recovery on gold, and right now gold is standing at 1992. So more or less gold was volatile in comparison to other pairs, and today also we can see that more or less gold is heading down. Okay, and if we look at the forexfactory.com, you can see that today we have got some news. You can go to any economic calendar, you will see the timing so that you can be prepared for the news. There will be some volatility on USD pairs, so yes, you need to be careful during the news, before the news, after the news. So beginners, new traders, try to close down all your positions before the news. And if you look at the chart of DXY US dollar index, then yes, we were discussing about the falling wedge pattern for the last couple of days, and we also discussed about the possibility of a breakout as well as not sustaining the breakout, because for a breakout, okay, in fact we were discussing yesterday that for a breakout or proper breakout or trend reversal, we need a fundamental factor which is missing right now. Okay, so as a result, we can see that right after the breakout on DXY, there was a red candle and DXY is more or less silent again. So the breakout almost failed, you can say, and right now there is not much volatility in the market. Later on, after the news or during the news, there may be some volatility and you may get to see some upward move. But right now, we don't have any news, still 8 hours left for the news. So as a result, we can see a sleepy, tiring DXY. And after the news, if DXY starts flying, then obviously 103 will be the next resistance, then 104. And in case it starts falling, then the last support of 100.80 will still be there. 100.80 is still there as the support. Then we have 100.50 as the next support. These two are the support levels for DXY as of now. But more or less, I think that DXY will not be breaking the support as of now, and it will try to head higher. Let's wait and watch. Now, gold. Okay, so we cannot deny the fact that gold is still trading in an upward channel only. We have been talking about the upward channel. We can see that though there has been a good amount of selling, but yes, gold is still trading an upward channel only. Okay, but one thing we need to focus here is that, okay, for the last couple of days, gold is unable to form higher highs. So we can see that gold is constantly forming lower highs in the market. Okay, so though the market is still trading inside the channel, but slowly the market structure is changing. Okay, what I feel is that if you're a swing trader, you should wait for 1 or 2 days more so that you can understand whether market bounces properly from the level or not. And if you're a day trader, then my dear friend, if you're a day trader, then you should be looking at the market, okay, on the hourly time frame, and on the hourly time frame or 50 minutes time frame, we can see that market is under the dominance of sellers. So you can see that same chart, but different trends for different set of traders. So if you're a swing trader, positional trader, then yes, obviously the overall market is still in an uptrend. So as a result, you should be looking for buy position. So, and if you're a day trader, if you're a scalper, then this market is under the dominance of sellers. As a result, you should be looking for sell positions only. And right now, we cannot deny that gold is slowly losing its charm, and right now it is forming lower highs. Okay, so you can see that whenever market is dropping, it is dropping by 120 to 130 pips. Okay, 130 pips from the previous lows. So next time you need to check whether market respects the line or not. I personally think that market will break the trend line here, because right now you can see that this is the third, okay, this is the third high made by the market. Listen to me carefully. This is the third high made by the market, which is also a lower high. So from this particular level, if gold starts coming down, then obviously gold will not be respecting the trend line at the bottom, which is the dynamic support. Okay, and we have support around 1955 to 1950. This is the next support on the chart of gold if gold breaks the trend line. And the reason is that you can see we have Fibonacci 38.2% around this area. We also have the 200 moving average, plus we also have previous support around this area. So if we combine all the factors, 1950 to 1955 looks like a good support to us. So we can expect a bounce of at least 60 to 70 pips if market comes down to this level. And as we can clearly see, the right now market is forming lower highs. So there's a high chance that if market starts falling from this current level, then market will break the trend line and bounce from here. And if you already have taken a sell position, then you can be on the trade, because we can clearly see that the 100 moving average is acting as the, previously it acted as the support, and the same 100 moving average is right now acting as the dynamic resistance. So if you have taken a sell position, be on the trade, no need to exit. And during the day, if you're looking for support levels, then we have, resistance level, then we may get some selling opportunity around 2008, 2009, 2008 to 2009. This is a resistance zone on the chart of gold. You can see we have drawn the Fibonacci, okay, and we are considering that Fibonacci 50% retracement will be a good level to take a sell position. So during the day, listen to me carefully, during the day, if market tries to recover, observe the market around 2008, 2009 level. If you see some kind of rejection, price rejection from above, then only go for a sell position, because you cannot deny the fact that overall the market is an uptrend. Overall the market is an uptrend, but as a day trader, as a scalper, you can look for some quick selling opportunity if market reverses. Okay, so see, this is the main reason why we got to see good amount of recovery yesterday, because overall we cannot deny that overall trend is obviously has an upper hand. Okay, so as a result, okay, we got to see a good amount of recovery when market starts fell yesterday. And right now, my dear friends, we can see that there is only one good support in front of us, and that is 1950 to 55, and I think that we should wait for that particular level only. And though there is trend line also as the dynamic support, but to be honest, I will not be executing, or I will not be going for any buy position around the trend line, because market has already tested the trend line many times, and this time market is coming down, forming a lower high. So forming a lower high signifies that number of sellers are increasing. So as a result, the credibility of the trend line, okay, is reducing. But if the volatility of the market is reduces sharply, if you see the market becomes very flat, then you can expect some sort of reversal. But otherwise, it is better to avoid this level and wait for this particular level only if market bounces. And if market starts going up around 2008, 2009, you can look for some quick selling opportunity. If market reverses, do not forget, this is not a downtrend market. Overall, the trend of the market is very much towards the upside. And then we have second resistance around 2017, 2018 level. So hopefully we will get to see some sort of reversal, okay, on the chart of gold in the coming days, because slowly the trend of the market is changing. We can see that slowly gold is unable to cross the previous highs, which is a big thing. Okay, usually this is how we can understand trend reversals on any chart. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Be careful, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. And I would like to mention one thing, that see, I record my videos during the Asian session, and during the day many things happen, many events takes place. Okay, as a result, okay, you need to be very, very careful. Please do not trust my analysis blindly, okay, because during the European session the market changes a bit. during the US session also market changes. So be a trader, okay, not a gambler. Bye bye, take care.